Hi, my name is Jason Sangwarn, VP of Pre-Sales here at Akili, and wanted to make a brief video on Akili's clinical trial management solution. First, Anaplan is cloud-based, so accessing the platform couldn't be easier via any one of the different internet browsers. Now, guiding users along the processes are pages or dashboards that can be easily configured to align to your needs, whether it be going through separate clinical trials, understanding year-to-date actuals versus forecast. Synchronization is also prevalent within the tool, allowing you to drill down into any one of the different details. Now, in addition to that, visualizations, as you can see, are integrated in the platform. So no need to export that information to Excel. They're all out of the box, ready to be used. So whether it be CRO spend analysis or the different cost categories, you have the ability to report this information, but can also be easily configured to align to what you're looking for, right? So drag and drop, point and click to information, and we can very easily change that user experience as needed. So dashboards similar to what we're looking for can help facilitate that close as we progress month to month and integrate the information that we get for our individual trials across all the different CROs as part of that process. Now, from a granularity perspective, we can start to see and drill down into each one of those different trials and start to create the different slices of information, whether they be different forms of actuals coming in, what we had from a contract perspective or accrued, and what has been invoiced as well. You can see, similar to a spreadsheet, data can be inputted very easily, and additionally, it can also be audited. So out of the box, Anaplan provides the ability to right-click, show the history across what user made the change, what was that previous to new value, so full auditability available to you. Now, as we progress month to month, we also may want to start to identify some of the different components across the POs or the invoice level detail to get a better understanding of what may have been the difference month to month. So really facilitating that variance analysis that we can start to compare from a actuals versus forecast and start to document some of those differences through the month. Additionally, you can also start to model around or tag each of these variances. So as we think about compiling and understanding what may be happening from a month-to-month perspective, we can track these via different codes. Anaplan is data agnostic. And what that allows us to do is integrate information from different ERPs, data warehouse, or flat files into the Anaplan Data Hub. From there, it allows us to report, plan, or share that information across different BI solutions as well. In addition to the reporting that we've seen, we can also facilitate planning of the information from a clinical trial perspective in Anaplan. So whether it be study, level detail, or down to the particular sites, Anaplan has the capability to accommodate that different granularity. In addition to some of the site and study profile planning, we can also start to look at information across the different patient. So whether it be enrollment, allocation, enrollment curve, as we're looking at here as well, that information can also be forecasted for each one of those different studies or sites. In addition, really start to produce some of the forecasting outputs. So as we think about the summarized forecast across different spans of time, so not only just from a monthly, but also long range perspective, we can see and drill down into any one of those different informations here very easily via a drop-down. Lastly, as we think about the different what-ifs that we're looking at or scenarios, Anaplan has that capability to also plan and report that information across scenarios. So what-ifs, assumptions, driver changes, that information can be encapsulated within a particular scenario. I hope this was helpful as an introduction, and I look forward to many more discussions. Thanks.